How saturated na po ba ang ebook market? Well, the first question is, why do you think it is saturated? Because number one, when you say what most people, when they say saturated, they only mean competition. So not because there's a competition, it doesn't mean saturated. That's number one. Number two, with all the millions, like sa Philippines alone, there are like 76 million or so internet users. Just sa Philippines lang po yun. Not to mention, sa Philippines, this is what you know and what you're about to learn from me and for the next couple of weeks. This is relatively new in the Philippines. And I'm betting you, ask your friends. May mga terminology ako na magagamit as we go through the training, like things like sales page, autoresponder, trust me, once you learn those things, ask your friends, hey bro, alam mo ba tong autoresponder? And probably 80-90% of them or even more have no idea about this thing. They think they know because nakikita nila may ebook rito, may Kindle, and all. They think they know. But as we go through the training, dito mo marirealize, gee, this is a whole new world. It is a whole new world for most of you. Now, may mga estudyante ako na marunong na sila. You may be wondering, Sir John, lahat ba nang nag-join sa IBMC have like complete zero? No, may mga few, they already know, but they would move up to the next level because they only know like bits and pieces, but they don't know the entire thing.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.